Know how to edit videos or write scripts? No problem. In this video, I will show you how to build a fully automated YouTube channel using AI, no coding, no fancy tools, just simple steps anyone can follow. I just built this AI system to create long-form YouTube videos hourly using AI and no-code automation tools. Because if you haven't seen them before, they are actually these videos and channels that are getting millions of views and millions of subscribers, which are basically clips of voice speaking motivational content, and people do find a value in them because the motivation that it provides through words. You can see this channel in particular only has something like 3.83 million subscribers. So when you can create these videos in an automated manner, you can just see how powerful this workflow can be. What you can do is set up this system once, and what it is going to do is generate your videos ideas as well as prompts to go along with that. Generates a visual, the voiceover, the background music, and even upload them on YouTube every day or every hour if you wish. This is just one of the example in the niche of motivational content or the motivation. So what you can get with this workflow is the visual, the audio, the transition between the scenes, and the publishing of this long form YouTube video. And what's great is you can adapt this workflow to different niches depending on your interests. Then it can be horror themed videos, Zen meditation. If you watch this till end, I will give you the templates to create whatever video you want, and if you are intimidated by the technical jargon, don't be. This tool n8n is all no code, so it's easy to learn even for the beginners. Learning AI automation is one of the best uses of your time given its demand. Investing minutes, learning this today might be one of the most important skills you will ever learn. By the way, if you are new here, my name is Mohammed and my mission is to make AI easy to learn for everyone. Let's dive in. It starts with a simple Google Sheet that has your video topic, ideas, caption, prompt, image prompt, and this is where the whole workflow begins. We will use a manual trigger for now, but you can later switch it to run hourly or daily using a scheduled trigger. Connect Google Sheet to fetch one row of data, the idea for the one video. Here we use ChatGPT to take the idea and generate a motivational scripts and image prompt. This prompt includes structure for multiple scene and matching visual. All the prompts will be provided in the community. Then we parse the AI structure response so we can use in other nodes including the image, voiceover, and music generation. Moving on to the next, this nodes pull in the music prompt from the secondary sheet. We use Sono AI to generate cinematic and motivational tracks automatically. This is where the magic happens. We send the parsed script, images, music, and voiceover requests to the JSON to video API, and it renders a full video for us. Then we use a short delay here before checking if the video is ready. This checks the status of the rendered video from the JSON to video. And then we use the switch node depending on whether the video is done, error, or still in progress. For that we took different actions. If done, it will proceed to the next step. If running, it will wait. If error, it will log here into the error in this sheet. Any failed videos are saved here so we can debug later on. Wait again if needed, optional extra delay before fetching the final file. Then we will get the video file. It will pull the video download URL so we can upload it to the YouTube. This automatically uploads your final video to YouTube, so you can set it unlisted, schedule, or public. For the JSON to video, I'll show you how you can set up your JSON to video. You'll have to go to the JSON to video. It's a simple sign up. You have to sign up using your email address. You'll get an API key. Here in this case, the API key is here. Please don't show your API key. This is a demo version of JSON to video. That's why I'm showing my API key, but please don't show your API key. Then you have to go to the movie templates. Click on add new template. You will get a new template like this. So for the scenes, you have to click on add new element 2 times. One you have to, like, let's say you have to select the audio, and then for the other one you have to select a video. For the audio, you'll go here and uploads. Here you have to upload the MP3 file, the audio file from your computer which you have downloaded from Suno. Once it's uploaded, select it, save, and then you have to copy this URL and paste into your Google Sheet for the audio list. And similarly for the intro video, you have to do the same. Go to the video. Here you have to click on source URL. Now here, if you have a video, you can upload it, but if you don't have a video, JSON has this very fantastic feature where you can use pixels to get your intro video. A lot of different options here. So you choose one and then you will be able to get a URL for that video as well. Just copy this video and paste it again in the intro video. Make sure you also get the API key, which you will need to connect it to n8n. It should be x-API-key, the name, and the API key is your own API key from here. Just copy this API key and simply paste it here and it will be connected. And for the body part, yes, this is the body part. It looks complex, but it is really very simple. This will also be provided in a community. You just have to copy paste it, but for the template you have to copy your own template, which you can get it from JSON to video. This is the ID which you need to use here. That's it. Your motivation channel is now fully automated, generating voiceover, visuals, music, and publishing without you lifting a finger after setup. If you want this full template, prompts, and API links, they are available in our free community. Links in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and let me know in the comments what niche you want to automate next.